Dear students, you are already familiar with the construction of the angles 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. In this section, we will find the values of the trigonometric ratios for these angles, of course, of 0 degree. Here, ABC is a right angle triangle, right angle at B, and let us consider that angle CB theta. Base BC is termed as B, and this is perpendicular AB, and this is hypotenuse and AC. So from this figure, sin theta is equal to perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. So this is AB upon AC. Cos theta is equal to base divided by hypotenuse. So this is BC upon AC. And finally tan theta is equal to perpendicular divided by base. So AB upon BC. These are all well known to you. And the reciprocals of sin theta is cosec theta. So you can write sin theta into cosec theta is equal to 1, and the reciprocal of cos theta is sec theta, so cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1, and finally the reciprocal tan theta is cot theta, so tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Now we shall find the angles of the corresponding trigonometric angles. So first of all, we take the trigonometric ratio for 45 degree. Let us consider that it be the triangle ABC, and angle B is equal to 90 degree. Also consider that angle A is equal to 45 degree. Okay, let us consider that angle A be your 45 degree, because you have to find out the trigonometric ratio for 45 degree. So if angle A is equal to 45 degree, obviously angle C will also be, therefore angle C is equal to 45 degree. So this is a right isosceles triangle. So the angles are equal, 45 degree, one angle is 90 degree. So AB is equal to BC. Okay, let us consider that AB is equal to BC is equal to A units. Okay, this is A and this one is A. So from Pythagoras theorem, because this is right angle triangle, so you can use the Pythagoras theorem. So AC is equal to root over of A square plus A square, because hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. So root over of A square plus A square, because you are not giving square here. So this is equal to root over of 2A square. So this is root 2 into A. So AC is equal to root 2A. So what to find? The angles, respective angles. So first of all, sine of 45 degree. Sine of 45 degree is equal to, sin theta is equal to height upon height divided by hypotenuse, and AC is equal to root over 2 into A. This is the hypotenuse now. So sin 45 degree is equal to height by hypotenuse root 2A. Since A is not is equal to 0, A cannot be 0, because the length of any side cannot be equal to 0. So you can cancel this A and you are getting 1 upon root 2. Okay. Next is cos of 45 degree. Cos 45 degree is equal to, cos theta is equal to base divided by hypotenuse. So here AB is the base, so A small a divided by root 2 into A. You can cancel A and you will get 1 upon root 2. Next is tan 45 degree. Tan of 45 degree. What is tan theta? Tan theta is equal to height divided by base. So perpendicular divided by base. Here the perpendicular BC is equal to A and base is equal to small a. So you can cancel A and you are getting 1. So tan 45 degree is equal to 1. From the these are the basic trigonometric ratios of the angle 45 degree. So you can take the corresponding reciprocals. Cosec 45 degree is equal to root 2. Sec 45 degree is equal to root 2, and cot 45 degree is equal to 1, because cot 45 degree is the reciprocal of tan 45 degree. Okay, next we shall take for the trigonometric ratios of 30 degree. Okay, again we consider a triangle. Suppose this triangle is an equilateral triangle. Say this triangle is ABC, whose all sides are equal. That means 60 degree. Okay, angle B is equal to 60 degree, angle A is equal to 60 degree, angle C is equal to 60, all the angles are equal. You draw a perpendicular from A on the side BC, base BC. So obviously, you know, the perpendicular of the equilateral triangle will bisect the base. And this is a property of equilateral triangle you already got in class 7 standard. Okay, let us consider that since the sides are equal, let all the side measures be equal. AB is equal to BC is equal to CA is equal to A units. Okay, all are equal. AB, this is A, this one is A, and obviously BC is equal to A units, so BD is equal to A upon 2 and DC is equal to A upon 2 because D, the point D bisects the line segment BC. Okay, now this is a right angle triangle, this part is a right angle triangle. Now since this angle is equal to 60 degree and this is 90 degree, what will be the measure of this angle? BAD. BAD is equal to 30 degree. This BAD is equal to 30 degree. Okay, leave 30 degree. Before that we have to find out the trigonometric ratios for angle 60 degree. Okay, now one property you know already in 7th standard, that what is the altitude, what is the formula of the altitude of an equilateral triangle? Here AD is equal, you know this one, this is root 3 upon 2 into side. This is a formula to find the altitude of an equilateral triangle. So root 3 upon 2 into side. What is side measure? Side is equal to A units. So AD is equal to root 3 upon 2 into A. You know this one. Now I change the color. Okay, so the altitude is now root 3 upon 2 into A. Now one by one, sine of 60 degree. What is sine 60 degree? Sine 60 degree is equal to, from this triangle ADB, okay, sine 60 degree is equal to height divided by perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. Perpendicular is now root 3 divided by 2 into A whole divided by A. You can cancel A and you will get the value root 3 upon 2. So sine of 60 degree is equal to root 3 upon 2. Next, cos of 60 degree. What is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to base divided by hypotenuse. Here BD is the base and hypotenuse is AB. So A divided by 2 whole divided by A. You can cancel A and you will get half. So cos 60 degree is equal to half. Next, tan of 60 degree. What is tan theta? Tan theta is equal to height upon base. Here height is AD. So this is root 3 divided by 2 into A whole divided by base. Base is equal to A by 2. A by 2 is cancelled, you are getting only root 3. So tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. So from these you can get the reciprocals. I don't write, just I discuss. Sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. So cosec 60 degree is equal to 2 by root 3. Next, cos 60 degree is equal to half. So sec of 60 degree is equal to 2. Next, tan of 60 degree is equal to root 3. So cot of 60 degree is equal to 1 upon root 3. Next, I have to find out the trigonometric ratios for angle 30 degree, this angle, okay, for 30 degree. So with respect to this angle, this will be your height and this is hypotenuse as well, this will be the base. Okay, now take sine of 30 degree. Okay, sine 30 degree is equal to height upon hypotenuse. Here BD will be height because the opposite side of the angle, corresponding angle will be the height. So BD is the height now and AB is the hypotenuse. So you can write sine theta, sine 30 degree is equal to A upon 2 whole divided by A. A is not is equal to 0, so you can cancel A and you will get half. So sine 30 degree is equal to half. Next, cos of 30 degree. Cos 30 degree equal to, you know, cos theta is equal to base divided by hypotenuse. In this case, the base is your AD. So this is root 3 divided by 2 into A whole divided by the hypotenuse A. A is cancelled and you are getting root 3 upon 2. Okay, A is not is equal to 0. Next, tan of 30 degree. Tan 30 degree, here tan theta is equal to height divided by base. Here height is BD with respect to angle 30 degree. So height is BD, A by 2 and whole divided by base. Base is here AD. AD is equal to root 3 divided by 2 into A. You can cancel A by 2 and you will get 1 upon root 3. So tan 30 degree is equal to 1 upon root 3. So since the basic angles are found, the Trigonometric ratios for the 30 degree are found. So reciprocals are respectively cosec 30 degree. Cosec 30 degree is equal to 2. Next, cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. So sec 30 degree is equal to 2 by root 3. Tan of 30 degree is equal to 1 over root 3. So cot of 30 degree is equal to root 3. Okay. So the trigonometric ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree are found. Next, trigonometric ratios for 0 degree. This is very important. Let us consider that it is your triangle ABC and right angle at B. Okay, right angle at B, and this is your angle considered. Okay, now when this is very important, observe carefully. When angle A tends to 0 degree, when angle A tends to 0 degree, then the point C will tend to B. Then what happens? You observe one by one. The point C will tend to B, and the line AC will be nearer to equal to AB. Okay, AC will be nearer to equal to AB. And another fact will happen, BC, side BC will tend to 0. These three facts will happen. When A tends to 0, angle A tends to 0, this angle A tends to 0, then the point C will tend to the point B. And in this case, the side AC will be nearer to AB and will be closer to AB. That means closer to AB, so they are near about equal to AB. And in this case, the side BC will be tending to 0. These are the basic facts. Now, one by one, sine of 0 degree. You want to find sine of 0 degree. You know, sine theta is equal to height upon hypotenuse. What is height? Height is here BC divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is AC. So since BC is tending to 0, so you can take 0 divided by AC. So ultimately you are getting 0. So sine of 0 degree is equal to 0. Next, cos of 0 degree. Okay, cos of 0 degree. You know, cos theta is equal to base divided by hypotenuse. Here base is AB. So write AB upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is here AC. Okay, what is AB? AB and AC both are equal when angle A is tending to 0. And if angle A is equal to 0, exactly 0, then obviously AB is equal to AC. In this case, you can cancel AB and AC, you are getting 1. So cos 0 degree is equal to 1 and tan of 0 degree. What is tan theta? Tan theta is equal to, you know, this one, tan theta is equal to height upon base. Here height is BC and base is AB. So in this case, BC is going to die, that is 0. So this is 0 upon AB. So 0 upon AB is equal to 0. So tan 0 degree is equal to 0. So basic trigonometric functions of the 0 degree are found. Sin 0 degree is equal to 0. Cos 0 degree is equal to 1. Tan 0 degree is equal to 0. So reciprocals. Cosec 0 degree is equal to 1 upon 0 means undefined. And cos 0 degree is equal to 1. Obviously sec 0 degree is equal to 1. Tan 0 degree is equal to 0. So cot 0 degree is equal to 1 upon 0 means undefined. So the trigonometric ratios of 0 degree are found. Next is trigonometric ratios of 90 degree. Again you consider, I have to change the color. Okay. Say take ABC is the right angle triangle, right angle at B. Okay. This is your angle of consideration. Now this is the altitude, this is base. Now what to find trigonometric ratio of 90 degree. Now let us consider that angle A is standing to 90 degree. Angle A is standing to 90 degree. Then what happens? One by one. If angle A tends to 0 degree, then the point A will tend to B. Then A is tending to B. This is the first fact. Second fact is AC will be equal to BC and AB is tending to 0. This side is tending to 0. Since A is tending to B, so AB is tending to 0. So now one by one. First one is sine of 90 degree. Okay, Sine 90 degree, what is sine theta? Sine theta is equal to height upon hypotenuse, BC upon AC. What is BC? Here BC and AC both are equal when angle A is equal to 90 degree. In this case you can cancel and you will get sine 90 degree is equal to 1. Next is cos of 90 degree. What is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse, AB upon AC. Okay. Now AB is tending to 0. Here it is written when angle A is exactly 90 degrees, so AB will be equal to 0. So 0 divided by AC is equal to 0. So cos 90 degree is equal to 0. And finally tan of 90 degree. Tan theta is equal to height divided by base. What is height? Height is here BC and base is AB. Now see the relation BC and AB. BC is okay. I have to write it here. BC is as usual and AB is tending to 0 here. AB is tending to 0. So when angle A is exactly 90 degrees, so obviously AB is equal to 0. So BC upon 0 is undefined. This is undefined. Okay, this is undefined. So basic trigonometric function of 90 degree are found. Sin 90 degree is equal to 1. So its reciprocal cosec 90 degree is equal to obviously 1. Cos 90 degree is equal to 0. Its reciprocal sec of 90 degree is equal to 1 upon 0 means undefined. Tan 90 degree is found, it is undefined. So its reciprocal cot of 90 degree is equal to 1 divided by undefined, that is 0, near about to 0. Okay, so all the trigonometric ratios of the standard angles are found. Now I want to show your chart for which you are waiting. This is the chart, final chart. Okay, you just copy it in your copy. Okay, completed. I want to show one example and after that our discussion will be end. This question is taken from your NCERT book. Okay, sin 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree into cos of 60 degree. Sin 60 degree we found this one root 3 upon 2 into cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is equal to again root 3 upon 2 plus sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is equal to half. Cos 60 degree is equal to half. So root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3 upon 4 plus 1 into 1 divided by 2 into 2. So this is equal to 3 plus 1 upon 4. So 4 upon 4 getting the result 1. Okay. So sin 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree into cos 60 degree is equal to 1. I discussed all the trigonometric ratios for the standard angles. One example we also discussed. In this way, you have to complete all the questions and also the examples of the NCERT. So in the next session, we will show some trigonometric identities. Till then, bye bye.